I don't know what to do. This is a belief I carried for a long time, until I questioned it using the work by Byron Katie. I created this experience so you can explore it too. Have you ever had this thought? Did you know how deeply it might be shaping your reality? What does it cost you to believe I don't know what to do? If you're ready to look at this thought gently and honestly, come sit with me in silence, and let's do the work together.
We'll go through the 4 questions first. Take a moment to slow down and really sit with each answer. There are no right or wrong replies, just what's true for you. Is it true? Can you absolutely know it's true, that you don't know what to do? Take a breath. Let yourself drop into the moment. What comes up?
It feels true, because I don't know what's right. I can do things, but I don't know which one is the right one. I don't know what the right thing to do is.
That's honest and insightful. Let's work with that thought. I don't know what the right thing to do is. Can you absolutely know that it's true? Is it 100% true that you have no sense of what's right, or even a part of what's right? Take a moment. What comes up?
Nobody really knows what the right thing to do is. You only know what feels right in a moment, and time will show if it felt right or not. Even then, right or wrong depends on your expectations. Otherwise, there's no absolute right or wrong, just consequences. Some you'll like and some you won't.
Beautifully put. You're already doing the work just by seeing that clearly. Question 3. How do you react? What happens when you believe the thought, I don't know what the right thing to do is? How does it feel in your body? What emotions show up? What do you say to yourself? What images of the future or past appear?
I feel heavy in my throat. There's uneasiness in my stomach, a burden on my shoulders. It feels overwhelming.
Thank you for being so honest. That physical heaviness, that's the body holding the weight of trying to be right in an uncertain world. Now imagine the same situation, but that thought never enters your mind. Who would you be without the thought, I don't know what the right thing to do is? What do you feel in your body? What happens in your mind? Who are you in that moment?
I feel lighter, emptier, peaceful, free to take a step, even if I don't see the whole path. I feel ready, open, like I can breathe again. I don't need all the answers, just clarity in the next moment.
That's beautiful. Lighter, emptier, ready, peaceful. That's you without the story, the pressure to find the right thing to do. Now let's try a few turnarounds to this thought. I don't know what the right thing to do is. We'll explore how each one might be just as true or truer. Turnaround 1. I do know what the right thing to do is, even just a little. Can you find any part of you that knows what feels aligned, kind, grounded or true? What shows up here?
I didn't know I could do the work to deal with my uncertainty.
That's powerful. That's already an action. That's already knowing. Even in the fog, some part of you reached for clarity. Turn around too. It's okay not to know what the right thing to do is. Could uncertainty be a natural part of wisdom? Could not knowing simply mean there's space to listen?
It's okay to take time before I'm certain about what I need to do. There's no hurry. Uncertainty doesn't mean failure. It means space. I don't need to panic. I can wait for clarity instead of forcing it.
That sounds like clarity speaking, not confusion. It feels grounded, patient, wise. Turn around 3. My mind doesn't know what to do. Is it your whole being that doesn't know? Or just the part of the mind that tries to control? What do you notice when you make that shift?
That's not true. Because if my mind really didn't know what to do, who chose to do the work?
Exactly. Even panic and worry are the mind doing something. It's trying to help, even if unskillfully. Your mind isn't empty, it's just doing what it knows. And now, through the work, it's learning another way. Let's shape a final statement. Grounded, true, and useful. It's okay not to have certainty right now. My mind knows how to worry, but it also knew to seek clarity. I can act from that knowing.
I feel compassion for my mind. Poor little one. It was doing something, panicking, worrying, because I expected it to do the right thing. What a burden to impose. My mind now knows it can seek clarity before taking action. Things may stay uncertain, but when I act from clarity, it feels right, no matter the outcome. Here are the mantras I discovered through this inquiry. You can keep them close if they speak to you.
Clarity before action. Outcome doesn't define me. I don't need certainty, just clarity in this step. My mind can pause, breathe, and act from peace. I act from clarity, not pressure. That feels right, no matter what follows.
If this helped you, feel free to subscribe and share. One thought at a time.